How to delete files that cannot be deleted in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you will need to open up your browser and then search for IO bit unlocker like this, and then click on the first link. Now you will need to download and install this tool on your computer. And once you finish installing it, you'll need to go to the file or the folder that cannot be removed. So for example, this folder right here, which cannot be removed, right click on it and you should find an option called IO bit unlocker. Simply click on it and it might ask you to confirm admin privileges. Now you want to select the folder. You can check force mode if it's basically stuck and cannot be removed. Check force mode and then click on the drop down here, click on unlock and delete, and then click on OK. And you should see that it's unlock and delete successfully, and it should be removed from your desktop or your folder. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.